When you picture a farm, you might imagine a peaceful landscape, animals grazing in big, open fields. But today's farms don't look like that. This is what the average farm looks like today. You wouldn't know because it's tucked away in a rural place out of sight. Its 10 metal sheds are plain and windowless. Its perimeter is fenced, like a prison. This farm uses about 50,000 pounds of grain each day, which is more food than it produces. And it generates more waste than a small city. Flushed into open air pits, the waste isn't treated, and it pollutes the air, water, and land. The wind carries the stench from this waste for miles. Hundreds of animals are packed into each shed, and each animal is confined to a tiny cage. They live here for most of their lives. In these conditions, diseases spread like wildfire, and many animals die. The only time they see the sun is when they're loaded onto a cramped trailer to be shipped to slaughter. Raising animals on farms like this is cruel and unsustainable. But the good news is, if we leave animals off our plates, together, we can end factory farming.